Welcome to Create Beautiful Hair online training. I'm Pam Wrigley, makeup artist, hairstylist and head trainer here at Create Beautiful Hair. I'm going to show you how to create beautiful wedding hairstyles quickly and easily. Don't worry if you haven't worked with hair before. You don't need to be a qualified hairdresser to be great at bridal hair. You'll learn how to prepare the hair for styling, how to create the right foundations and how to secure the hair properly so you'll be able to create any style. Find a technique that works for you. I love to use heated rollers, but you might prefer working with tongs or straighteners or even a curly blow dry. Get help on business advice, what to do on the trial run and how to plan for the wedding day. Remember, you can make all the styles on the site your own. Be creative, combine different techniques and create new looks. Most of all, enjoy. I look forward to seeing your styles.